Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 2, that is accounting for debenture of standard 12 commerce subject account. Today we are going to see again accounting effect of redemption of debenture when the debenture is issued at premium and redeemable at premium. So let's see the journal entry for that. Let's see the accounting effect at the time when the issue of debenture is at premium and again the redemption of debenture is at premium. So very first journal entry that we are supposed to pass at the time of issue of debenture, and that will be very first we know that the money is going to come in the bank account. So bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. And the second journal entry, the same day we are going to pass for the allotment of the debenture, and that journal entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit, as we are redeeming the same debenture at premium, so there will be a loss. So that loss we supposed to debit it at the time of issue of the debenture, and that will be loss on issue of debenture. So here the journal entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit, loss on issue of debenture account debit to debenture to security premium, and the same amount that we have keep for the loss that we are going to credit it and we are going to provide it, and that will be premium on redemption of debenture account. So here we have to open the separate account to carry forward this loss, and that account is called premium on redemption of debenture account. So this journal entry is supposed to be passed when the issue of debenture is at premium and again redemption is at premium. So at the end of the debenture period, when we are going to redeem the debenture, that time both this account is going to be debited, debenture account as well as premium on redemption of debenture account. So that will be debenture account debit, premium on redemption of debenture account debit to debenture holder, as we have to pay the money to the debenture holder. So this will be the journal entry at the time of redemption. And again, when we are going to pay the same amount to the debenture holder, as the money will be going from the bank account is going to be credited and debenture holder will be getting the benefit of that. So debenture holder account debit to bank. This journal entry is supposed to be passed at the time of issue of debenture when the issue is at premium and redemption is also at premium. Let's understand the same with the help of illustration number 15. You may note down this in your notebook. Illustration number 15. On 1/6/17, Vandana Limited issued 10,008% debenture of rupees 200 each at a premium of 5%. So issued of debenture at 5%. That 5% we supposed to calculate on the face value. So face value of the debenture is 200. So 5% of that will be 10 rupees, and so issue of the debenture is at 210, where 10 rupees is security premium. The debenture are redeemed on 31st May to 2020 and the price is 220 per debenture. Write the necessary journal entry in the books of company without narration. So here we don't have to write the narration, and redemption of debenture is at the premium and that premium amount is rupees 20. So let's pass the first journal entry on 1/6/17, and that will be bank account debit to 8% debenture application and allotment account. And here the amount will be 210. 1/6/17 first journal entry will be bank account. Here the debenture are 10,000 debenture and the amount will be rupees 210. So that will be total amount, and here to 8% debenture application and allotment account, and the total amount will be 21 lakh. 21 lakh. Here there is no need of the narration. Second journal entry that we have to pass on the same day, that will be on 1/6/17, and here we are going to transfer this application money to the debenture account, and the journal entry will be 8% debenture application and allotment account to debit. Then again here when we are going to redeem the same debenture, that will be a loss of ₹20. For that we have to provide it right now. So that will be loss on issue of debenture account debit, and that will be 10,000 debenture at ₹20. Now we are going to redeem the debenture at a premium of ₹20. So here we have to provide it for that, and that will be debited. Again the debenture application money will be transferred to the debenture account, and here we have received the security premium of ₹10 that we are going to credit here. So security premium reserve account, and the same we are going to take to the provision for the loss, that we will take premium on redemption of debenture account. So this journal entry is supposed to be passed. Let's see the total amount here, 21 lakh. We are going to debit to the application allotment account. Here the amount will be 2 lakh. As the debenture amount is, face value of the debenture is ₹200. So that we will take to the debenture account. So that will be 20 lakhs. And again the security premium amount that we are going to receive at the time of issue of debenture, as we have issued the debenture at ₹10 security premium, so that will be 1 lakh, and the loss will be transferred to premium on redemption account, that will be 10,000 debenture at ₹20. So that will be 2 lakh rupees. So this will be the journal entry that is supposed to be passed to the debenture account. Now at the time of redemption of debenture, we have to debit these two accounts. So here redemption of debenture is on 31st May 22. So that will be 31st May 22, and here we are going to debit 8% debenture account. Premium on redemption of debenture account. To debenture holder account. Here amount that we supposed to pay to the debenture holder will be 20 plus 2 lakh. So that will be 22 lakh. Now when we are going to pay amount to the debenture holder, that time the journal entry supposed to be passed will be debenture holder account debit to bank account, and that will be on the same day, and that is 31st May 2020. Debenture holder account debit. Bank account, and here the same amount we have to pay in the debenture, so that will be 22 lakh. So students, you may note down this in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.